Hello, welcome to Crafting Together. We're gonna use one of these mirror from Dollar Tree, like this one. We're gonna use 3 of this stick. I used this before, that's why you have some of the part I spray painted and go, but they come like that, this color. So we're gonna use 3 of these and your hot glue gun. That's all you need for this DIY, guys. Simple, easy, and inexpensive. I wasn't gonna craft today, but I was a little bit stressed because my sister had surgery today. So I was like stressed. I went to the bathroom 5 times. I'm like, you know what? Let me distress myself. And what can distress me? Some crap. So here I am distressing myself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the mirror out. And this one, they have, I hate that it has like this little screw. You can get a screwdriver. But I'm just gonna take it out with a knife. It comes out pretty simple with a knife, so that's what I'm going to do. Out already. See, I told you. So then we're gonna do the same thing to the other one, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other one, like that. So yeah, so that's my to go. When I'm stressed, I go crafting. What else gonna make you feel better than craft? So I'm gonna take the mirror and that black part out for now. I'm gonna put it on later, but for now I'm gonna take it off. So we're gonna use this part for now. So we're gonna do one in the back like that, and we're going to do 2 on the side like that. So the first one we're gonna do, it will be the one in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue in there, and we're going to attach it right on there. So you're gonna, once you do that, you're gonna hold it down there. Don't let go. Put this one there so you can hold it down for a little bit. Already know it's there because I mark it there with eye. Just go ahead and mark it down with your eye. Just look at it where you put it, and then just go ahead and place the glue. And then we're gonna go ahead and do this, and we're gonna put it like that. Okay, this one is not attached. That one I was just doing it so it could hold it better. So in here, we're gonna attach in the top. So I'm gonna put some hot glue, and I'm gonna attach these 2 together there. To do the same thing in the other side, we're gonna place it like right there. And then I'm going to attach it there. And then once we attach it on the bottom part like that, we're gonna put some hot glue right here, and then attach these 2 in there. We're gonna attach these 2 first. So right in here, and then I'm going to attach it in there. Once you guys are done there, we're gonna go ahead and spray paint this whole thing in gold. So let me just go ahead and do that. So after I spray paint this, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But before I go ahead and do it, you know what to do now. Go ahead and like this video right now. So after we spray painted right there, this is how it turns out. I'm gonna use one of this floor foam. I'm going to make a little hole or a big hole like that so I could fit it through that inside. Yeah, like that. But we cannot just leave it as that. We got to put some hot glue because we got to attach it really good, because once you're going to place flowers, it's going to be a little bit heavy. So you're going to have to attach it really good. Then just press it down, hold it down there, and make sure it attached pretty good. And after that, we're going to take some toothpick, and we're going to take the flower, and we're going to fill it up with flour. So we're just going to continue attaching flour. Make sure when you attach the flour to the toothpick that you put a little bit of hot glue so it can attach into place. So I'm just going to place flour around it. We're going to do a few pink flowers, not just white. So I'm going to also place some at the bottom part like that, because we don't want the floor foam to show. So we're going to cover it up with flowers as well, not just on top. We're going to go around it. Let's just make another one of that same color and place it right here at the bottom like that. So right now I'm just filling it up with flour, just making it cute, because this is going to be a centerpiece, but at the same time it's going to be a cupcake holder. So it's a doable, a centerpiece and also a cupcake holder, or whatever you guys want to display here, little trees, food, whatever you guys want. Anyways, like, This made me forget anything. I could be going through the worst day, and then I just sit here and it just take everything away. Because when you distract your mind and you just doing something you like you feel better, right? You feel better. That's why I'm always saying, like, go do things that you like, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Like, it's okay. It's okay to do things that you guys love. Then I'm gonna use this white one just to place it inside as well. I'm also gonna place some of the beads. Before we do that, we should have done this after we spray painted, place it back. When you do this part, before you put the flower, just flip it around and put the mirror and just close it down with a screw. So we're gonna use these little ones, these little beads. I'm only gonna use one string, so I'm just gonna cut it out like that. So just cut a long one that you could cover the whole pole. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of hot glue and place it right there. And then I'm going to attach it right there. So we're just gonna attach it like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of the hot glue in the back in the middle like that. And then I'm going to attach it in there like that. See? So we're just gonna do that until we do it all the way to the bottom part. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the bottom part. Okay, guys, so this is how cute it's turned out, but look how the magic happened. You see how you could just leave it as a centerpiece, but we could also make it as a cupcake. You could fit maybe like 6 cupcakes. I'm gonna put a cute little flower just to make it look super cute. Simple, easy, so beautiful, right? Like, look how cute it turns out. Super simple and easy that you guys can do at your home. And it's so inexpensive to do. Now, you can leave it as that, or you don't have to put the cupcake. You can leave it as a centerpiece. You could place like a flameless candle. Or I was thinking, we could put a floral foam in here. And let's see how it will look if we just place flower like around it, right? Like that. See, we do that because this is a different ways that you guys can do it as well. I just thought of that so you could have it like the top and bottom. So here I'm giving you so many different directions because you guys can do without it. You could do it with the flower. You could place it with a candle. See how many options I'm giving you guys? A lot. You decide which one you want to do it. Look how cute that turns out, guys. Thanks again for watching. Let's not forget to share, comment, and let me know which one will you do out of all the ideas that I gave you.